You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing an exciting video, and this is Instagram chooses my makeup. So I did a couple polls, and I got you guys or my Instagram followers to pick certain things out. And yeah, so by the way, this video idea is not mine. I did get this from Verena here on YouTube. She is a really amazing YouTuber. She has amazing talent. And yeah, I'm just sitting down to film, and doing my makeup just makes me feel better. And I've had an interesting week, so this is definitely going to be helpful. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, so to start, I had pick a color, blue or purple. Blue was 49% and purple was 51%. So it looks like we're going to be using purple. So I'm using my Brazil palette, of course. And I'm just going to be going in with a mixture of this purple and this purple right here. And I'm just going to be putting this into my crease. Hopefully you guys can see. And I'm only using the 3 colors that were picked, so no transition, no nothing like that, just straight in, going within with the color. I am honestly a little bit nervous just because I want this to turn out good and everything, but it's not the first time I've worked with color or anything, so I think it'll be fine as long as the look turns out right. So I'm just going to blend this in the crease a little bit to the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I quickly cut my crease just so it'd be easier for me to do my lid colors. So next I said pick a color, red or green. Red was 63% and green was 37%. So once again, I'm going to use my Brazil palette, and I'm just going to go in with this red right here. It's like a true red, and I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my lid. I've never worked with this red before, so I'm just going to put it on the outer part of my lid. And this is kind of going to be block colors, kind of. So just going to pat it on. And then I will obviously blend everything towards the end. So once I do this line and I fix this one, I'll be right back. Guys, so the last color, the option was orange or yellow. 63% picked orange. So I'm gonna go in with a mixture of these 2 oranges and just a little flat brush to really pack on the pigment. And I know that this is a really crazy look and everything, but I didn't pick it, you guys did, so it's I don't even know what to call this. But yeah, I'm just going to pack it on. I don't know if this is going to be the best brush for this, honestly, because it's not picking up very much pigment. So I'm just going to put this on the rest of my inner corner / crease my lid, and do it to the other eye, and then I'll be back again. Now I have lashes, so I said bold or natural, and bold one. So I'm gonna be going in with LA Colors Dramatilash Diva lashes, and these are pretty freaking dramatic. So I'm gonna put these on with some mascara, and then I'll be back again. so for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with a leftover on the red brush, just because the red gets washed out a little bit. So I just want to add a little bit more of that back into the look. So just kind of the excess, 'cause I don't want like a super dramatic, sorry guys, a super dramatic lower lash line. So just kind of like that. And then I'm gonna put lower lash mascara on, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I asked fake freckles or no freckles, and no freckles won. Kind of thank God, because I suck at fake freckles. And then for highlighter, I asked gold or champagne, and champagne won. But super quickly, I'm going to spray my face with my rose water, just because I feel a little powdery. So I'm going to let that dry. And then we're going to go in with a champagne-y highlighter, and I don't know if I want which of these palettes I want to use. I think I'm gonna go in with Moonstone from the Sun Dipped palette, and I don't know if I'll add maybe a tiny bit of Fine Line from this palette. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and then put on my highlight. Alright guys, last but not least, I have lips. So 64% nude, 36% bold. So nude it's gonna be. So of course, tiramisu liner. And I'm not really sure which nude I want to go with, just because this is such a dramatic look, and like I don't want to go too pink. I'm just gonna do, of course, Naked by Urban Decay, just because it's like my holy grail, and I'll probably put a gloss on top as well. I'm not sure which one, but I'll let you guys know later. And yeah, after I do my lips, I'll spray my face, and we'll be all done with this video. Alright babies! Oh, why did I say that? Whatever. So this is the final look. Do you like? Don't mind my hair, I need to wash it. But I need the light. So this is the look. I used for gloss a mixture of the Maybelline Hot Lacquer in Tease and my Undressed lip gloss from Anastasia. So yeah, this is the look. The eyes, highlight, lashes, all the good stuff. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Instagram pics my makeup look. And I have some Girl Scout cookies right here, and I'm starving, so like I can't wait to eat these, take pictures, and for dinner I'm having hamburgers. Ugh, all good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Girl, I'm like seriously so hungry. You don't even. They smell so good. Okay, bye.
Yeah, woke up on the sofa sober, digging the aroma. My bad, I missed that bottle. Boom. Sugar thing, what it do? I'm tryna see if you wanna come through. For a rose rendezvous. A rose rendezvous. Got a bottle right. Say,